Hello everyone, it's Ken with CSLearner.com, and I'm working in a Linux terminal today, and I'm going to make a basic Hello World program in the programming language C, but we're going to use the Vim editor and GCC compiler that comes default with Linux. So, let me show you real quick. So right now I am using Oracle VM VirtualBox, and I am using Linux Mint Debian. So it's Linux Mint, and I think this is called like GNOME or something. But theoretically I could use Debian or OS Concepts. This is one that came with my textbook. But I'm a huge fan of Linux Mint, and I'm going to emphasize most students in my class are using they're using Ubuntu. So let's see. Also, as a heads up, I'm not sure. On this video, I have two screens. I don't know if you'll be able to see both screens. I'm worried it's going to stretch it, and if it does that, we'll just kind of put up with it. If it doesn't, maybe it's just this one, but either way, we just need to see the terminal. So I'm opening the terminal. All right. All right. So there we go. So the terminal's open, and we're going to go. My class is CS3100 operating system, so let's do this. So we're going to make a program, but I'm going to call it Hello World, not to be mixed with Hello. So what I'm going to do to start the program is I type vim Hello World. And what that's going to do is, I think it's hello world.c. And what it's going to do is vim is like a text editor. So it's going to open it up. And so what it's going to do right now is there is no Hello World program. So it's opening the text editor called Vim, and it's going to create a program called Hello World in the programming language C. All right, so right now it's empty. I'm hitting the key I on my keyboard for insert. And now literally what I'm going to do is just type out a quick Hello World program. Let's see. I think it's like studio.h. Let me check real quick. I don't know if you can see it right now on my left monitor. Wrong one. We're going to look up Hello World in freaking C. And you're like, what are you? All right, this one is slightly wrong though. All right, so I don't know if you can see it. When the video's done, I'll be able to see if it works. But on my left screen, I have two monitors. On my left screen, I have a basic Hello World program, and it looks like I was right. This includes studio.h. And then, one thing I forgot is it gives me an error message when I do just main. All right, so now that it's done, so I'm going to hit the escape key since I'm done making the code. And I'm going to hit that, and then it's like write and save. Let me look it up really quick. It is WQ for write and quit, which is a save and quit. All right, so now I have a Hello World program written in C. And just to make sure it's saved, because a huge problem I bumped into earlier was that all right, so it's still fine. And we're just going to quit. All right, so next, let's see, what's the next step? Next, I need to run it. For this one, I'm actually going to reference a slide by my professor, since I'm not super good with this. All right, sweet. So next, GCC is the compiler. So right now our code's written out, but it's not compiled. GCC, I believe, comes default. And on my slide, it says GCC is the name of the compiler. The -o is the output file option command. Hello is the output or executable file. Hello.c is the source code. And then -wall is set all warnings to on. And to run the program, I'm going to let me do that first, make sure it works. Hold on, it didn't work quite right. Oh, wow, I'm dumb. All right. So we're going to do I, insert. Oh, it's like quit save. What is it? Shoot, sorry. WQ. WQ. I'm still getting used to this. So I quit and save. Now let's make sure it saved it. Oops. Wrong. Frick. Let's do, okay, so I'm reading to quit without saving is quit exclamation mark. There we go. Let's make sure I didn't create a crappy file. All right, vim hello world.c. All right, perfect. Let's quit without making changes, ls. So now we're going to create it again. So it looks like it didn't even compile is what we're, oh, it's hello world. Wow, I am not bright. Oops. So now you can see with that GCC space -o hello world space hello world dot c and then space -wall, we've created a program in machine code called hello world, and now we can run hello world. So we're going to do period backslash, I think it's a backslash, and then we're going to write the file. I think it's just you write the file name. So let's try this. Cool. So that is literally it. Thank you so much. I'm going to end this program. It's actually, I feel like it was too long. I feel like that was way too long. So we're going to finish it. Thank you.